Rolling mills are the backbone of steel and metal manufacturing, transforming billets, blooms, slabs, and ingots into high-quality rolled products for industries such as construction, automotive, infrastructure, railways, energy, and heavy engineering. Achieving consistent product quality requires precise production planning, efficient mill operations, strict quality control, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of rolling mill operations while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From raw material procurement, production planning, reheating, rolling, finishing, quality assurance, inventory management, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize mill capacity, furnace utilization, workforce allocation, and material consumption while maintaining efficient production schedules.